Hey there, welcome back once again. And today we will talk about the best earning apps called Gramfree. And here's a very simple work you have to do every day. So I'll tell you step by step what to do. First of all, you have to sign up for Gramfree by your email or Facebook account. Then the very simple task is you have to click here, three dot bar, and you will go to the free, and every day you will get 5 times roll. You have to click the roll button here. I have done 5 minutes before, that's why it is not available here. You will get 1 hours later. And then you have to go videos. There are 5 videos every day and you have to watch it for at least 1 minute. uh, and secondly, you have to go to the smart contracts. It's a very most important thing. uh, you will get single contract every day and you have to take it for 3 to 5 days. So through all the things you will get gram, and if 500 gram on your account you will can withdraw with the MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, and so many things. So it's a very amazing website.